Okay, today I have a service call on this unit heater that is not working. Usually unit heaters are used in workshop area, warehouse area, in a garage, or any accessible as per the code. So I just want you to see how the unit heater is installed. So I'm gonna go in. I will let you know why it's not working. So I'll keep you posted. So this is a Reznor unit heater. Okay, so this is a Reznor unit heater. You can see it. Okay, so I'll keep you posted, and thanks. Okay, so here is my unit heater information. Again, it's a Reznor unit heater. You can see the model number. You can see the specs of the unit. But again, coming up here, I noticed my blower motor is running, and the heat should be on, but it just cut off. So it's gonna shut off after a while, because on the vent motor this motor can only run if the heat is on or just cut off. So I'm gonna see what's going on here and why there's an intermittent heating and then stopping. So I'll keep you posted, and thanks for watching. Okay, so I'm gonna first check from the thermostat, see how my thermostat is positioned. Okay, so here is my thermostat. You can see my thermostat is really set really high. This is the old thermostat, Mercury thermostat. Is set to about 25 and above. But again, you can see my room temperature is still below 20. So it's not able to keep up with the heat. They're asking for more heat, and it's not able to come up. So we're going to see why there is an intermittent of the heating and cutting off. We will see. So the thermostat is set right, but there is no heat. If it were, the normal setting should be 21, 22, but because they're not achieving that, they just want to increase it more heat. Okay, so I'll keep you posted again. So here's my unit. We'll figure out what's going on. Thanks for watching. Okay, so to gain access to the burner, I just have to pull this guy down. Yes, that's it. There's a screw here and a screw here, and then you can pull it down. You can see my heat. So I do have heat, but I think the heat is not staying constantly to achieve that temperature. So I'm going to have to see what is, because I have a high temperature limit here. So I'm going to see if that high temperature limit might be bad, or what's going on. Or should my fan not pulling out heat properly? Because if my fan is not pulling out heat properly, there will be so much heat in the heat exchanger, so it's going to be cutting my high limit in the unit to be cutting off. So the high limit is located somewhere in here. So I'm going to have to gain access to it and see what is it. But the heat seems to be running for a longer while. It could also be, see, it just cut off again. So that's how it's been. It could also be having a sensor problem. So it's like, oh, the sensor is saying I'm not able to see flame. So all of this is all happening, but I will really dive into it, and I will keep you updated. So you can see my fan is still running, but after a couple minutes, the fan is going to cut off and say, oh yeah, I have cooled it enough. But hopefully this, I'm going to keep you posted, and I will let you know what to do. Thanks for watching. Again, please subscribe to HVAC Mechanical Systems, and I'll keep you posted. Thank you.